Hi guys, today we're doing another city car driving mod review video. In this video we have got, it's an old classic car, blue car there, it's a van really. It is a Volkswagen Transporter, the really classic-y one. There it is, the really classic Volkswagen Transporters look like. Only a little bus it is. Here it is. It looks really old. At the front here, I want to tell you a little fact quickly. At the front, it's actually not a bonnet. The engine is at the back here, in that little bottom part right here. Not the boot door, the door underneath the boot. That part. That is actually where the engine is. The rear. And there was what a surprise, a little radio. Get in the vehicle. Right. Wipers. They work. I'm just a bit of a tinker about here. Come on. By the way, guys, this is an actual existing mod, you know. I've got a shirt off because it's cool. I like it. Let's. Classic. I've got a good lock on it. I actually knew someone once that had a petrol van once. One of my uncles had a camper like this. diesel vehicles, stalling wise, when stalling a petrol, diesels are harder to stall. Got it stuck. Come on! A bit of luck. Get it off. Get you its top speed. Not beautiful this, but it only has 4 gears, by the way. But well, I should do it a bit. I should plug those to neutral. Yeah. Apparently it's the got no problem with that actually, guys. The other thing we have, the big bus is a real problem working, guys. We had a problem with it. I'll show you the tunnel. Just wait till it's you know this series is about every new mod that comes out, I review the mod, guys. They used to have metal dashboards like this. Metal dash. These old cars used to have metal dashboards. And now it's kind of a leather plastic. You know Volvo, the police use, but the police, they don't use a normal Volvo, they use the R design, not actually design PPR. Never ever want to get a car with the police. I'll tell you why. Because what the police do, they thrash them up the motorway. They do that because they're chasing people. That's just my opinion, by the way. That's only my opinion. That is actually my opinion. When buying cars, it's best to check if it has ever been owned by the police. What the other thing they do is they screw their system to the car as well, like their little screens. And drill a hole in the dashboard when they get in there. It does ruin the look of the dashboard a bit though. The thrashing, like revving up in the red, like I'm doing right now. It goes fast. Fast cars are harder to get than slower cars. The really fast Volvos aren't very often. I like this 6-speed. It's actually a bit smaller than the little XC90. Oh, we lost a tyre there. But, right. Please like and subscribe, and right, that's it.